guys, was the most important thing. So when you go to a place very early in Egypt, it's totally kaput. You know why? It's all closed, like spins. Look, all the mall, I think so. They are very, lazy people. They not open in the morning early. So I'm hungry. I can't eat right now. I want a coffee. I can drink some coffee, and it's a 9:46. Well, it's not very early. So what I try to tell to the people, it's to not good guys to be lazy. How I will be active, and I see all around me is very lazy people, and otherwise I don't give a fuck. So but I'm very fucking hungry. Kaput.